So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the vanish mode issue on your Instagram. If you have got into vanish mode, how can you come back from them and how can you prevent it? Now in order to do it, simply open Instagram and open the chat that you have gone into vanish mode. For example, this is the chat I have been into vanish mode. Here you'll see it says disappearing messages. Now how can I quit that? Now in order to do it, simply swipe up from your chat and press and hold for a second, and it says now release to turn off disappearing messages. Once you do that, here you'll see you have turned off disappearing messages. Now in order to avoid this, what you can do is just simply do not scroll down further if you are already on the below of the chat, because it simply turn on the vanish mode again for you. So just simply swipe upwards and you'll get back again on vanish mode, out of vanish mode. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.